Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, we've got Ampex, guys, AMPX. Now, before I start talking about it, take a look at the daily chart. So 2 days ago, I had all sorts of news. The White House gave them, I guess, $50 million. It's kind of a grant or a fund. They're an EV player. And so this popped this stock from 6:30 all the way up to 11. A lot of us were trading it then. Had a bit of a pullback day yesterday, not much. I was able to trade this today or yesterday, but in the room today, I was saying, well, listen, guys. In fact, I think hopefully I still have these price alerts. I put a price alert just over $10. Now you notice on that opening candle, it did get over $10, but I never like to trade in the first 15 minutes. And look what it did; it came right back down. But the second time it got over 10. I think I had my alert at 10:13 or so. Ended up taking this trade right about here and was able to. And now it's a jumpy thing, and was able to get out just around that 11:50 mark, and then it dropped, got back into the trade. Okay, just underneath that 12 level. And because I think the next high looking level was about 1185 or so. Now the next high is 1325 or 1355. So we'll see what happens. I'm not saying this was the easiest trade in the world, but guess what? Kept winning race after race. Won 5 races. So that's what made it a great trade, guys. So wow. Okay, have a great weekend, everybody. I'll open the room at 8 o'clock Monday morning. So hope to see you then. Bye-bye.